Hello! Today, I will show you how to use the condition tool feature in BitFlows to create advanced and dynamic workflows. The condition tool in BitFlows is a versatile and powerful feature for creating dynamic workflows that trigger actions based on specific conditions. This tutorial, we explain how to use the condition tool in a workflow. We will use Bitform as the trigger node and show how to send form submission data to Google Sheets by applying specific conditions. So first, navigate to the Flows page. If you don't have Create any flow yet, simply click on the Create Flow button to create a new flow. Here, enter a name for your flow, then click on the Create button. Congratulations! You have successfully created a new flow. Your newly created flow will now be displayed like this. Now we will add the Bitform as a trigger. You need to install Bitform to integrate with Flow. The setup guide link can be found in the description below. Now I am submitting a testing response from Bitform. After submitting the response will look like this, and those data are available for in the next flow as a variable to map data. Congratulations! You have successfully added a Bitform trigger to your flow. Now go to the Tools section, where you will find different types of tools are available. Now drag and drop the condition tool into your workflow. Then, connect Bitform with the condition tool. After connecting with the condition tool feature, simply click on the plus icon to add a condition. If you want to add multiple conditions in your workflow, simply click on the plus icon multiple times. Now I will discuss two conditions: sending data to Google Sheets when a specific condition is met, and sending data to another Google Sheets when no condition is met. Now click on the Edit icon. Then a modal will appear where you can configure the logic settings. Again, click on the Edit icon and provide a name for your logic. Here you will find a logic row. To add more logic rows to your condition block, simply click the plus icon. You can also switch from AND-based logic to OR-based logic. Now set the logic based on your specific needs. If the first name starts with B and the last name ends with S, and the email is equal to support@bitapps.pro. Once you have configured your conditional logic, make sure that your changes are auto-saved and close the modal. Now you will need to add an action in the BitFlow section to specify where you want to send your submitted data. Under the Apps section, you will see different types of platforms where you can send your data. Now choose Google Sheets as an action. Then I linked Condition 1 to the Google Sheet. You will find Google Sheet Setup Guide link in the description below. Now I am mapping fields from the response to the Google Sheet. If the logics in Condition 1 are matched when submitting the form submitted data will be automatically sent to this Google Sheet. Now, add another action to send data when no conditions are met. In this case, the action will be directed to a default destination. When filling out the form, if the first name starts with B, the last name ends with S, and the email address is support@bitapps.pro, then the data will be sent to the condition worksheet in Google Sheets. But if any of these conditions are not met, the data will be sent to the Without Condition worksheet instead. Now click on the Test Flow Once button, and let's submit a form. After submitting the form, return to the BitFlow section, then click on the Logs button to view the details. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.